What's going on, people? Hope you're all well. Hope you're staying safe during lockdown. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this reselling program subscription service that I've signed up to, how much money I've made from it so far, how much people are making from it, my experience with it, any tips and tricks. I'm going to be going through some of the numbers of some of the items that I've bought, how much profit I've made, how much potential profit there is to be made. My general thoughts on the service and moving forward, what's my plans with it. So if you're interested in that, you want to learn more, then please stay tuned to this video. If you haven't done already, please drop me a like, hit subscribe, share this video with your friends, and if you want to check out some more of my videos, please feel free to do so.
Hello, I like money.
Let's get into it. So I'll start off straight away. I've got absolutely zero experience in reselling anything of this sort of caliber. I'm not one of these hype beast guys. I don't queue up for Yeezys. I don't go to the Supreme drops. None of that. Essentially, I found out about this service via Instagram, via TGTV, who I follow on Instagram. He promoted this a lot. I think he might potentially be behind it. Essentially, this is a Discord group which you pay and then you sign up. They let you into the group. You've got lots of different options in there, guidance, stuff about bots, you get notifications when raffles are coming out, guidance on how much stuff is going to resell for, potential profits to be made. Everyone's talking in the group, people are submitting their own ideas. It's actually a pretty good little community. So I've been in the group for about a week of using it properly, shall we say. Didn't buy anything until Friday. So on Friday I got a notification through about these barbell sets. Basically, I'll just summarize it all. So the group was very catered towards like hype beast stuff, like Supreme, Yeezy, rare Nikes, Off-White, that sort of stuff. With coronavirus hitting the UK and the rest of the world, there are certain items that are in massive demand compared to others, and where supply just can't really keep up. So stuff like fitness equipment, everyone's doing workouts at home now. You've got like free weights. Anyone that was interested in the gym, they're going to be wanting to keep their gains. They're going to be wanting to maintain fitness. So some of these items are impossible to come by. Looking through these items yourself, you already know that the prices are massively inflated. So this is the same as some of the other items. I'll throw some images up on the screen now. A lot of the profits that people are making are actually through hot tubs, believe it or not. I haven't bought any hot tubs yet. I will try and secure a hot tub if I can. Basically, you get notifications through with links where you can buy this stuff at retail price, like the second it comes into stock, which is really good. And this is what happened on Friday with this barbell set, which was the first item I bought. So I'll go through some of the numbers on that. So the barbell set I paid $179.98 for. That's including shipping. Purchased it on Friday, set up the listing on eBay on Saturday, I believe. I also bought some other items Saturday morning. I bought 2 sets of dumbbells for £43.49 each, including shipping. So I set up both of these listings at the same time on eBay. So I set up the barbells for $319.99 starting bid. Buy it now $450 and shipping cost of 60 quid. I got quotes on shipping. So I got a shipping quote from TNT, and that was about £50. I'll throw it up on the screen now. I've done all these numbers properly, so I'll be flashing these images up as you can see them as we go through these. So yeah, I've currently got a bid on that at $319. So basing on that, I'll make £100 profit. Well, £100.38 after all fees and expenses and shipping, which ain't too bad, to be fair. The dumbbells I sold as well. They're actually sold. I put a buy it now price on those. They sold for £102 including shipping. I got a quote on shipping at $17.99. That was with UPS parcel collection. So the profit per unit after all fees on those is £27.07. So my total profit on the dumbbells was £54 because I bought 2 units. So all in all, in over 2 days and arguably like 2 hours work, if that, I've made £154.52. The items haven't even arrived yet. The items are due to arrive either tomorrow or on Wednesday, so fingers crossed that they arrive on time. As soon as they arrive, I'll just print the shipping labels off, arrange collection or shipment, and then fire it away, and hopefully we can all get those eBay PayPal payments cleared and cop some more items. But yeah, I mean, for anyone that is either furloughed at home, got a spare bit of money, then it's a pretty good strategy, to be fair. I'll certainly be remaining subscribed because I've already made my money back already. It's $29.99 a month. I'm not sure if they're running any offers on it at the moment. If they are, I'll leave a link in the description to let you know about that. Yeah, there's some more stuff coming out which they've released on the group, some rare Nike drops, other sort of more hypebeast type items which are coming out soon, so I'll be trying to cop those as well. But yeah, I mean, if you're trying to make a little bit of extra money during the lockdown phase, it's a pretty good opportunity, I'd say. The other benefit that I do see from this, which they haven't really spoke about in the group at all or on Instagram anywhere, is using your credit card to purchase all these items, because you're essentially, by purchasing these on a credit card and then reselling them on eBay and drawing the cash through PayPal into your bank, you're basically just generating like cash flow from your credit card.
Cash flow. I'm talking about the cash flow, not the snow. I'm talking about getting that third flow.
Whether you've got interest free, whether you've got rewards, and if you I know American Express, if you spend like $3,000 in the first 3 months, I think it is, they'll give you like 20,000 reward points. So I mean, stuff like that, reward credit cards. If you've got stuff that you've recently opened or you want to build up your air miles, then you can literally just purchase a load of hot tubs, gain a load of air miles and points, resell them, draw the cash into your bank account, and then just pay off the cards as and when you need to. So yeah, I mean, it's a fair good strategy. I'll let you know how I get on. I'll give you some updates if there's any more stuff that I've bought. But yeah, I'll be keen to hear what your thoughts are, whether any of you are using it, when of you have used it, how you've got on, how much you've made, or if you're in the group, then drop me a message. But yeah, this is just another one of these videos that I thought I'd do. I explained that I was going to do some of these different random off the wall videos for how to make money and how to profit and stuff. This is all relative to my 0 to £100,000 challenge, which I'm trying to do at the moment. If you want to watch any of those videos, then I'll leave some links on the screen and in the description, along with some of the other information. I'll leave some description on where to get these books, the headphones, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and please feel free to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll be back in soon. Cheers guys.